Hey y'all, Nate here with Nate's Interactive Auto. Today we got something really special. You are going to get to vote to see what's next. Water or gas versus a direct injection engine. We're going to clean up that pesky valve gunk. So from now on, I want to cast a vote. You guys comment below of this video with the word gas or water. And from that, we'll choose the winner. So the next video coming up will be chosen by you, for you. As I choose the videos, these are videos left in the comments. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Taking videos from the comment section, placing them at the top, at which ones seem to be the most commented and the most asked upon. Those will be the videos that will be up for voting. So don't forget, guys, make sure and cast your vote. And if you have any really great ideas, make sure you let me know what those are as well, because this is Nate's Interactive Auto for a reason, NIA, because this interactive community will decide everything that goes, not only the videos but everything else as well. So make sure and choose what videos that you guys think you like the most. So without further ado, your video will be coming ASAP. So as soon as I find out the answer, well, anyways, guys, I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, I love this community. I love how you guys share all your information on these products and your experience. This is what makes this community so special. So it's about to get even better and better. We've got a lot of great things coming. Finally putting all the pieces together. Well, thank you guys for watching, as always, here at Nate's Interactive Auto.